Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on Nasdaq. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now we can see from the lower time frame perspective, Nasdaq showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at bigger picture to see the general direction in the market. Looking at monthly, now from the monthly perspective, we can see that Nasdaq is a long-term bullish market. If we closely look at this monthly price action along this zone, we see that Nasdaq every month was creating a strong bullish candle. This is a strong bullish engulfer followed by a doji. Now previous months we have seen that after breaking this monthly low, Nasdaq has aggressively gone up, created this giant bullish engulfer. Now this bullish engulfer, as it crossed the previous monthly low and closed above as a green bullish candle, it has a huge liquidity in that candle. Now what we can expect as the price so far in the first 3 weeks, the bulls is still maintaining this previous resistance zone, which is turning support on the monthly. Still the price is above this level, means that we can expect Nasdaq on the monthly to remain bullish or even to remain sideways, and the sellers may not be able to break this low further as this market is highly bullish, and we can expect anytime a break to the upside on the lower time frame. Now if we look at the weekly, we see that from the weekly perspective, Nasdaq is bullish. We saw that from this support zone here, there is a big bullish impulse followed by we saw a couple of weeks narrower pullback along this zone. We saw that there's a long doji, there's a long week candle back to back 2 weeks here. We saw there is a lower low on the weekly, there's a long week back to back 2 weeks. Now this week what we saw, once the market opened, the price has crossed the high. Now the price is coming down for a deeper pullback. We see that there's a monthly resistance here, which is turning support along this zone on NAS100. So what I think that, as we see back to back 2 weeks, the price created a lower low. Anytime we could see a lower low and test of this weekly support, or we can expect at least retest of this previous support zone, also turning support here on the lower time frame. So if we look at the daily, we can see that Nasdaq on the daily perspective has formed a bull flag here. So if you draw this bull flag on the daily, with that bull flag, we saw that with this big bullish engulfer on the daily, Nasdaq has broken to the upside. Now after breaking to the upside, the price is coming down for a deeper pullback. What I think that, as you can see, this is the resistance line of this bull flag on the daily. We could see Nasdaq coming down further to this level where there is the previous resistance here, turning support, and also aligning with this important weekly level of support here, and also turning support along with this daily 20 EMA. This zone can give us another bullish entry opportunity on Nasdaq for this move to the upside. So if we look at further lower time frame on the intraday, we see that Nasdaq, in fact, with this impulse to the upside, has gone up, consolidated. There has been another impulse. Now the price again breaking to the downside. What I think that, as we see that this is an overextension and the price is coming down, we could see Nasdaq is coming down, dropping down to this level, and along this zone, if the Nasdaq is coming down, giving us again another rejection from the bottom, will consider going long on Nasdaq with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading Nasdaq. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.